In this video, I will show you how to add your photo in a Canva resume on your computer. First, you want to upload your profile photo onto Canva. Then, you want to search for your photo in the Images tab and drag it into the resume. Adjust the size and position on where you want the photo to be. Also, if you don't like the square photo, you can add frames to it to make it more unique looking. Delete the photo. Choose the element icon. Type Frames on the search bar here. Then, click on See All and select the frame you like. For this example, I will be choosing the rounded corner square frame. Drag it into the resume. You can also add a line border and put a color similar to your resume. Now, put your photo back in, then look for the crop icon here to adjust the position. Reposition the photo to where you would like it to be. Click on the Done button or just any open space and you are done. Thanks for watching.